Welcome to the latest in our series of Make It videos. This week we'll be making our own eggy cress animals. This is an easy way to introduce your children to the idea of growing plants from seeds. It can be done all year round and the cress will start to grow in just a few days. To make your eggy cress animal you will need at least one egg, some cress seeds, some cotton wool balls, and some art and craft materials of your choice. Crack the top of your egg using a spoon. Remove enough shell to allow you to empty the contents into a bowl. Ideally, use this in your cooking so it doesn't go to waste. Remove a bit more shell, making a hole big enough to allow you to place a cotton wool ball inside. Depending on the animal you've chosen to make, you could make the hole in the side of the shell rather than the top. You'll then need to wash the shells out and leave them to dry. Make sure you wash your hands as well. Now you can design your animal. You can choose any animal you like. I've produced a duck, a frog and a hedgehog. Which animals will you choose? You're now ready to add the cress. Wet the cotton wool balls, squeeze out any excess water and place them in the eggshells. For larger shells you may need to use more than one. Sprinkle the cress seeds on top of the cotton wool and lightly push them down. Put your eggy cress animals on a windowsill where they'll get plenty of light. Add a few drops of water each day. Make sure the cotton wool never fully dries out, but be careful not to overwater. The cress should start to sprout within a couple of days and should be fully grown within 7 to 14 days. The cress tastes great in sandwiches. Thanks for joining us for this week's Make It video. I hope you enjoyed making your eggy cress animals. Growing your own food is a great way of helping the environment. It's always good to cut down on food miles, and you can't get much more local than your own garden or windowsill. If you enjoyed this activity, perhaps you could start to grow some of your own fruit and veg, or even perhaps some wildflowers. Next week we'll be making a star decoration using nothing more than some sticks and string. I look forward to seeing you then.